In this video, I will show you how to fix the Kakaotalk login problem. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, if you're trying to log into Kakaotalk and you're unable to log in, or it's just simply not loading, there's a few things you can do to actually resolve this problem. Now, the first thing you're going to want to check is your internet connection. So if you scroll down from the top of your device, and what you want to do is try using your mobile data and switch between the Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if it's a problem with your internet connection. If you've checked that and your internet connection is absolutely fine, but you're still having this problem, the next thing you're going to want to do is locate the Kakaotalk app on your device. Once you've located it, just press and long hold onto the app itself, and from this menu that comes up, you want to press onto app info. Now what that's going to do is take you to a screen like this, and from here you want to scroll down slightly until you see storage, and then press onto storage. In here you want to clear the cache and clear the data, which are the two buttons at the bottom of the screen. Once you've done that, load up Kakaotalk again and see if that fixes the issue. Also, what you want to do is make sure that Kakaotalk is up to date. So if you open up the Play Store or the App Store if you're on iPhone, search for Kakaotalk, and if there's an update available, the blue open button here is going to say update. So make sure your app is updated to the latest version to avoid any potential problems. And then you can try and see if you can log in again. Now, if none of that worked for you, what I would recommend doing is a full uninstallation and reinstallation of Kakaotalk on your device. So just come across to the Play Store and search for Kakaotalk. Then what you want to do is uninstall and reinstall it onto your device. By performing a full clean installation, this should fix any potential problems and enable you to log in successfully. So that is how to fix the Kakaotalk login problem. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.